Tēnā koutou katoa e hoa mā. We're going to look at how to use the word e with a greeting and terms of address and people's names in te reo Māori. Let's start with our most common greeting, which is kia ora. You can use at any time, in any place, with anybody. Kia ora. To add on to this greeting, when greeting someone with a term of address, we're going to use e. The most common term of address that we hear is hoa, which means friend. Kia ora e hoa, which would translate to something like hey mate or hey bro. Kia ora e hoa is very common. I'm going to use this when meeting someone perhaps I've never met before. Kia ora e hoa, kei te pēhea. Now, one term of address that you can use for a more intimate connection, which I use with people that I'm very familiar with, is kia ora e kare. Kia ora e kare, kei te pēhea. There are many different terms of address heard throughout the country in different rohe and different iwi, which are very specific to that particular area. On the East Coast, you hear kia ora e hika. Up north, you hear kia ora e mara, and so on and so on. Share with us the term of address that's heard within your iwi or within your rohe. If we're talking in the plural, so we're greeting more than one mate, we're greeting a group of people, we're just going to add on ma. Kia ora e hoa to one person, kia ora e hoa ma to two or more people. Other examples of terms of address would be greeting elderly people. Kia ora e koro, kia ora e kui. Greeting adults. Kia ora e pā, kia ora e whai. And greeting younger people. Kia ora e tama, kia ora e hine. Remember, greeting in the plural, we just add on ma to those terms of address. So to greet a group of elderly women, I might say tēnā koutou e kui mā. We're going to use e with a greeting when also using a noun to greet someone. For example, you want to greet the teacher. Kia ora e te kaiako. Te is going to precede the noun following the e. We might be greeting the family, the whānau, or people you consider as your whānau. Kia ora e te whānau. If you're greeting a relative, kia ora e te whanaunga. Or more than one, kia ora e ngā whanaunga. So in this case, the te and the ngā indicate the singular and the plural. Kia ora e te kaiako, kia ora e ngā kaiako. When using a name, we're going to follow this pattern that we've observed, which is two vowel sounds in the terms of address. Kia ora e hoa, kia ora e kare, kia ora e kui, kia ora e koro. All of those terms of address and all the others that exist have two vowel sounds. When greeting someone using their name, we're going to use e if their name has two vowel sounds and it's a Māori name. For example, kia ora e hone, kia ora e mere. If the name is Māori and has more than two vowel sounds or one long vowel sound and one short vowel sound, we don't need to use the e. My name, Hemi, has a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. So, kia ora Hemi. A longer name, kia ora te rangi whakaputa. We do not need the e. If the name is not Māori, we do not use the e, regardless of how short or long that name is. Kia ora Bob. Tēnā koe Karen. Nō reira, share some more terms of address or ways of greeting people you know using a greeting and e. Tēnā koutou e hoa mā.